Hello everyone. Myself lecturer Miss Aditi Anil Kushare, Master of Pharmacy in Quality Assurance Techniques from KK Institute of Pharmacy, Chandori, Nasik. Today we are going to discuss about the topic powders, that is mixing of powders from pharmaceutics to powders, mixing of powders. Topics to be covered are as follows: definition of powder, type of mixing of powders, geometric dilution of powders, and example of geometric dilution of powders. Powders. A pharmaceutical powder is a mixture of finely divided drugs or chemicals in a dry form meant for internal or external use. A powder is a dry bulk solid composed of a large number of very fine particles that may flow freely when shaken or tilted. Mixing of powders, spatulation, trituration, geometric dilution, sifting and tumbling. First, that is spatulation, mixing the powders with the help of spatula on a paper or a sheet. Then trituration, it is used for reduce of size and for mixing of powders. Geometric dilution for potent drugs. Sifting, the powders are mixed by passing through sifters. And tumbling is the process of mixing of powders in a large container rotated by an electric motor. This type of blenders are widely used in industry as a large volume of powder mixers. Spatulation, the blending of powders with a spatula, movement through the powder on a tile or a paper sheet, used sometimes for small quantities or when the mortar and pestle technique is undesirable. It is not suitable for the large quantities of the powders or for powders containing one or more potent substance because homogeneous blending may not occur. Trituration. This method is used to reduce the particle size and to mix the powders. A porcelain preferred than glass mortar. A glass mortar is preferable for chemicals that stain a porcelain. When granular or crystalline materials are to be incorporated into powdered product, these materials are comminuted individually and then blended together in the mortar. Mixing of powders, that is by geometric dilution. When mixing of powders of unequal size, the smaller amount is mixed, that is triturated, with an equal amount of the other. That mixture is then mixed with an equal amount of the larger amount powder. This process is repeated until the mixture is completed. Leviation. In this process, a paste is first formed by the addition of a suitable non-solvent to the solid material. B, that is particle size reduction, then accomplished by rubbing the paste in a mortar with a pestle or on an ointment slab using a spatula. And C, this technique is used to incorporate the solids into ointment and suspension. Tumbling, the large-scale mixing equipment. The powder enclosed in a large container which rotates generally by a motorized process. Such blenders are widely employed in industry to blend large amounts of powders. The ideal mixture should produce a complete blend rapidly to avoid product damage. It should be clean and discharged easily, be dust tight, and requires low maintenance and low power consumption. This is a double cone blender. Geometric dilution is the process of diluting something based on its measured size. Most often scientists and doctors employ this method when combining fine powders of unequal amounts to ensure equal distributions. Bakers sometimes use geometric dilutions to equally combine the dry ingredients in a mixture. The geometric dilution is a pharmaceutical process that thoroughly mixes a small amount because the patient is not involved in the measurement of the dose. The environment until the time of administration, then the paper enclosed powders. When the potent substances are to be mixed with a large amount of diluent, geometric dilution method is employed to ensure the uniform distribution of the potent drug. By this method, the potent drug placed upon an equal volume the diluent in a mortar and the mixture is mixed by the trituration. Then a second portion of diluent equal in volume to the powder mixture in the mortar is added and the trituration is repeated. This process is continued by adding equal volumes of the diluent to that powder present in the mortar and repeating the mixing until all the diluent is incorporated. For an example, if 100 mg of potent drug is required to be mixed with 900 mg of lactose, then according to the geometric dilution, the following procedure it should be followed. 100 mg of potent drug plus 100 mg of lactose, that is equal to 200 mg of mixture. Then take this 200 mg of mixture plus 200 mg of lactose, it will form 400 mg of mixture. Take this 400 mg of mixture plus again 400 mg of lactose, it will form 800 mg of mixture. Again take this 800 mg of mixture plus remaining portion of lactose, that is equal to 1000 mg of mixture. Powders, the mixing of powders, the learning outcomes from this are: what is a powder, type of mixing of powders, geometric dilution of powders, and example of geometric dilution of powders. Thank you.